Introducing the latest addition to our S line of 3D printers. This is the new Ultimaker S3, a dual extrusion machine that delivers massive performance in an efficiently small footprint. Its reinforced feeder empowers you to create parts and models effortlessly with almost any filament, including glass and carbon fiber composites. Advanced active leveling, a stiffer build plate, and precision drivers ensure high-quality results with every print. And our award-winning touchscreen interface makes setup, navigation, and maintenance quick and easy. These all work together seamlessly to achieve the reliability and accuracy you need from a desktop 3D printer. Powerful and easy to use, the Ultimaker S3 is the most cost-effective way for disruptive businesses to adopt in-house 3D printing.